Salam bacho! Hello children! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a veggie sushi. It's too simple. First of all, don't forget to wash your hands. I've already washed my hands. To make this sushi, we need a cucumber. I've already cut it a few pieces. Some thinly sliced carrots, your favorite cheese, and deli meat. We start with cucumber, hollow it out like this. Then fill it up with some carrots, some cheese, and then roll your deli meat like this. Then you can put it in a dish. Like this one, and serve. Have fun, enjoy your making, and bon appetit. Bye.